leaf miners. Oh, my spinach. Hey there, prairie plant girl here. So I was just in the garden, thought I was grabbing a little bit of spinach for supper, but instead I found something else to deal with. So have a look. Leaf miners found my spinach. There's a little worm crawling around in there, tunneling out these little spaces in my spinach. See this little worm in here? Squish it. Squish this guy. Anyone else in there? Get rid of that leaf. Yeah, they're right on the inside. Ugh, that one squirted me, gross. Yeah, squish them. Get rid of them. More over here. Yeah. Didn't even notice. Look how bad they are. Ugh, grody. See that guy there? Yeah, so the parent plant, parent insect, I don't even know what it is, lays the eggs, and then they tunnel in here, and then they burrow around in your plant while they grow, and make your plant basically inedible because nobody wants to eat that. Get all these leaves that are damaged out of here. Squish the worms. Put one in there. This guy's already hatched and left. See how this one's dried up and the casing is empty. So a little worm matured. And off he's gone into the world to make more. Ugh. This one too. How did I not notice this was happening here? This plant is covered in them. Oh man. Look at that. You see the little worm in there moving around? Quite a mess. I was just wanting spinach for supper. Okay, better look at the beets. Beets under this little mesh tunnel here. Leaf miners usually get after my beets really bad, but hopefully this little tunnel has kept them away. And I think we have success with that. Excellent. Keep this tent on here. Look at these beets. Nibbles from a bunny rabbit. Oh, yeah, see? These beets that are exposed. Leaf miner damage. The good thing is I don't have to eat these beet greens, but I do like them. looks like they were in the spinach more than the beets, but they do like the beets too. Yeah, leaf miners. They've come to my garden yet again. They always make it here. So just have to find the leaves that have them on them and squish them off. And I don't even know. I should really do more research about what it is that causes these things. But there must be some visible pest that's flying in the air or something before they get in there. I don't know. But got them all squished that I could find now. I'll just have to keep a vigilant watch. And it does look like that little mesh tunnel made a difference with those other beets. So I'm going to really pay attention to that this year and see if that's something I need to be doing every year proactively, is just putting a tunnel over things like my beets and spinach and that. I just had that on there to try and keep the bunny out of that bed there, but maybe that mesh is my new means of keeping the leaf miners out of my leafy crops there. So if you're struggling with leaf miners too, something to think about, I guess. Or let me know in the comments down below what you do to combat them. I don't know, maybe some DT. I'm not a big fan of spreading diatomaceous earth on things that I'm eating the greens from, but could be an option, I guess. Not sure if it would help or not. What do you think? Comment down below.